Good day, fellow teachers. Welcome to my channel, Automated School Forms or ASF, where forms are made easy. This application is designed to help you manage all your DepEd school forms in one convenient workspace using Microsoft Access, whether it's SF2, SF9 for junior high school, and for elementary, we have the standard format, and also SF9 for senior high school, SF10, SF10 for senior high school, the basic education enrollment form, diploma, transmittal for academic awardees, or other essential school documents. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of how to install or update the school forms management system. So as of this recording, we are on version 13, and this guide applies whether you are installing for the first time or updating from a previous version. So the installation process will remain the same for future updates. So feel free to revisit the guide anytime. Be sure to watch until the end for some important reminders and helpful tips. Now let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is download the School Forms Management System installer by clicking the file link provided in the description below. So once you've downloaded the file, go ahead and open the application. So by default, it will install on your system drive, but you can change this by clicking the browse button and choosing or creating a folder where you'd like the application to be installed. So let's create a folder. And for those using an older version and want to upgrade to the latest version, simply locate the folder where your current version is installed during the setup process. So once you've selected the location to install or update the latest version, simply click install or confirm to proceed. So let's install. Yes. Yes. So installed successfully. You can access the application by clicking the location button. So from there, you may also manually create a shortcut for easier access to the app. So let's click this one. So this is the application that you need to open to start using the application, or you can create a shortcut for easier access to the app. So this one.